zooming. To view a small portion of user audio, user can use one of these zoom methods. This figure shows that entire Audacity view of 4 minutes audio track zoomed all the way out. It's really useful to get an idea of the whole audio clip from start to finish, but it does not help in knowing the details. Zooming the time scale lets you focus on the first 15 seconds. For example, look for the first 15 seconds of the same audio track. Here is first 15 seconds. I am going to select the tool and select the track. Here is the first 15 seconds. It can be still zoomed to know the details of last 15 seconds of the same audio track. If you are lost, refer to the timeline at the bottom of the window. It always shows you exactly where you are in time, in hours, minutes and seconds. There are 5 ways to zoom horizontally. It can be done by going to view menu, click on view menu and selecting zoom, and sub menu is up here. So these are the 5 ways of zooming horizontally. Now I am going to select the first option, zoom in. The shortcut key is Ctrl+1. So what shows that is doubles the current zoom level. Let me check. So this is the selection part. I am going to click on Ctrl+1. So this is the double the current zoom level. I am going to click on that, again doubling that, again click on that. So doubles the current zoom level. So now the second option is zoom normal. The shortcut key is Ctrl+2. What zoom normal is done is reverse back to Audacity default zoom, where you can see 5 to 10 seconds at a time. So reverse back, how they are going to do is, so now I am going to click on Ctrl+2. So here is the default normal. Now we are going to see the timeline here, 5 to 10 seconds at a time. So we are improving the zoom level 5 to 10 seconds at a time. This is what a zoom normal. So now the third option is zoom out. For zoom out we can use the Ctrl+3. So what zoom out is done is cuts the current zoom level in half. So now I am going to use a Ctrl+3. Half of the window track is again comes. Now again I am clicking Ctrl+3, again half, again click on Ctrl+3, again half. So it is quietly opposite to zoom in. Now I am going to use the fourth option in zoom, that is zoom to selection. Zoom to selection, that is called a Ctrl+E. So that is nothing but if you have audio selected, here is audio was selected, this zooms and scrolls so that the selection just file in the window. Now I am going to use Ctrl+E. Total window was selected. So whatever we given to the first 15 seconds, it is applicable to total window. So that is the fourth option, zoom to selection. So here is the last option, zoom toggle. It means that toggles between two predefined zoom levels. These are user selectable in track preferences. So now I am going to click on Shift E. This is the zoom toggle.